someone hit someone, another person hit someone, someone hit someone again, and at the end of the day, I have to face the punishment. Yes, I have to face the punishment. No problem. This punishment is not big enough. Let me punish myself for you sake. No problem.
What are you doing?
Guys, like seriously, as I did yes, you know it in my head. Let me show you what they go on for my house. So guys, let me tell you what they happen for my house. I beg, I need help. I need help. Let Nigeria take good. Nigeria when you go now, you get maid, you get housekeeper. In case you don't read this point, you don't get someone to say, I beg, help me do something. For Europe, it's not easy, especially when you are a single mother. If somebody grace of God, before you go remove somebody's tweet, you don't go nowhere. You are laughing. If I comb the hell out of you now.
Remove someone's teeth.
Of course. Haven't you done something that deserves your teeth to be removed? Haven't you? Have you not done something that deserves your teeth to be removed? So guys, I came back from travel last week and the whole of my house is so messy. Like, you know when you just come back from travel, especially when you say long, all the bobo you pack home, everything messy. Today I just said no, I don't like the way my house look. Make I something they do my running, like really cleaning. To know what happened today, follow me. This children room, no angle when I not follow for this old room today. I get more than about 4 packets of the things trash. Let me show you to know how serious the matter is. See guys, these are trash. This is my backhoe. This is my backyard, my balcony. And these are the trash. Those are the clothes they don't need anymore, they are too small, or maybe they don't like it anymore. Those are clothes. All of this you are saying they came out from their room today. All of this came out from their room today. All this you are saying. Those are some of the clothes. This one, this particular one, my baby girl helped me to remove it from the washing machine, and I'm too tired now to sun it. Maybe later of the day. And this one are the dry one that I'm here to keep in the wardrobe. I told you after cleaning this room today, this your disorganized character, let it stop. Open your boo-boo in my camera. I want to see your boo-boo. The clothes that you took off before you went to take your shower or your bath, all of them, they are still here. Look at someone's clothes. The whole of this room today, I follow, in fact, I passed through all corners. You just saw what I brought out from this room. A lot, all angle. You see the wardrobe? Those are bedspread, they are bedspread. Everything. I just arranged this whole wardrobe today. Look at their wardrobe. See their wardrobe? Just look at. You see? Guess what? After doing everything, all the corner of this room today, in fact the whole entire house, before they came back from school, I've maintained my room and the kitchen. This is their room. It took me almost eternity, and I was really tired after set and done. Too tired to spread their bed. I said, okay, let me do that one later, or it might be tomorrow, because I was really tired. I just went to my room to stretch my waist, my people. Guess what happened? This one, they call Tema. She took my phone, or rather, the phone I give to the senior sister. She went to her bed to play with the phone. only for her to end up throwing down the phone, or the phone slip out of her hand. I don't know. Guess what my phone is now? In fact, and all this are who? The phone that slipped down from her hand now, or she threw away, I don't know how to put it. It's not here. That means the phone is inside here, because this is wool, not wool. This is wool. This is the bed, not wool. So the phone slipped down from up and he went back of this place. My people, ever since I paid this bed, I have not gone to this. I have not shipped this. I don't even know if this bed is collapsing today or not. I can't leave that phone there. I don't even know if this bed, the entire bed, will collapse today on me or not. Ask these children, what did I do to them to deserve this? Both of you, sit down here and answer my question. Why do you decide to give me this stress now? Why did you give me this stress now? Since you came back from school, maybe around 1 or a few minutes past 1. What is the time now? Past 6. I have been working in this house only for me to just lie down. Less than 20 minutes, and another bigger job came from you guys. What did I do to you? Tracy and Emma, what did I do? What did I do to deserve this stress now? Why? Is it bad that I gave you my phone to play with sometimes? No. Don't ask them, oh. My people, make una ask. Is it bad that I gave you my phone?
No.
You are the one. I dashed you the phone. That phone is new. I said, okay, you hold it. You can play with it sometimes, and it's more important. The most important is I will leave it for you. Anytime I'm going out, I just want to rush down and do something. You can call me or I call you. So anytime you want to play with the phone, you can take it and just play game with it. Is it okay? Was that evil?
No.
Was that evil?
No.
So why do you decide to give me this stress now? Or for day to day that I'm already broken from how chores?
I did not mean it, because I put it there, and then we're opening to give to Tracy. I found that it's sleeping this thing. It was a little bit my fault too, because Temba was disobeying what I was trying to tell her, and then she started be hitting me with her clothes and everything. I get to a little mess where I hit her back, and then that's how Temba get angry, and she put the phone inside her bed, and that's how she sleep out.
So, sorry, once upon a time. So, someone gets angry, someone hits someone, another person hits someone again, and at the end of the day, I have to face the punishment. Yes, I have to face the punishment. No problem. This punishment is not big enough. Let me punish myself for you sake. No problem.
What are you doing?
No, instead of me to punish you guys now, let me punish myself.
What are you doing? Mom, can you stand up, please? Mommy, can you stand up, please? Don't sleep. Stand up. Stand up!
No, let me remain here. Instead of me to punish you guys, let me punish myself. You will be satisfied. No problem.
We're just going to have punishment.
Cool.
Mommy, can you please get up?
This is plus. Because this stress are putting me through now, it is not enough. Instead of me to punish you guys, let me punish myself. On your behalf, okay? Then you will be satisfied. Of course. I was not telling me to kneel down.
No, you need on yourself. I'm not the one who told you.
No, instead of me to punish you, let me punish myself, okay?
Why?
Let me punish myself for the
Why?
stress for what you have done. This is to tell you thank you. I don't know what to tell you guys. So I don't know what to tell you guys. I don't just know. If this bed collapse today, both of you will put your mattress on the floor. God will bear me weakness. I will not buy another bed. Yes, look at the phone. See? Look at the phone. What is it now? Now, both of you come and be doing it. Look at the phone. And let me tell you, anytime you want to call me, in case I just want to do something, close to the house and you are in the house, you will only temper with this phone. Then, this phone, hence for today, you will only use this phone if you want to call me or I call you if I'm not in the house. But for game, no. It's because you have opportunity to play with this phone. That is why you took it to your bed and this one happened. Or 4 days. Today that I've done more than enough. I've worked myself out. Hence for today, it's no longer for games.
Delete the games. Delete the games.
I should delete it? I'm not deleting it. I'm not deleting it. Let it be your choice to obey me or not. Me, I am not deleting the app. I am not deleting it. But you will not touch this phone again. You will only touch this phone if you want to call me. It's like trying to do you good, try to pamper you, try to be nice to you. Sometimes you take advantage of it. It's not all mothers that buy phone for children. Is it all mothers?
No.
And you are, maybe, do you have voice?
Yeah.
I'm asking you a question. Is it all mothers that buy phone for children?
No.
Is it all mothers?
No.
Okay, it's my fault at the end of the day.
No.
Yeah, it's my fault.
No.
It's my fault.
No.
It's my fault. And tell me the one that did this.
No.
It's Emma now. It's both of you.
What of us?
Of course. You buy this one, hit this one, this one, hit this one, then this one happen.
But you always say whatever disobey, I should eat the bad so she can learn.
Yeah, Tama said you should. I said you should discipline her. Did I say she fight?
I will not fight. I only discipline her.
You only discipline her.
And then every time
And your discipline her have to bring mommy stress. No problem. No problem. Yeah, get your business and come and be arranging this house. Get your business. Guys, if you are still watching, thank you so much for coming around. Please, before you leave this page for today, subscribe and be part of this amazing family. My people, your girl need help. Your girl need help. They don't feel they do madam for Europe, eh? If in Africa, now I don't reach me at the location. I go my old house. At least, small money you get, you can do madam. You will not touch my phone again. You will not touch my phone again. That is just the greatest punishment. Thank you so much. And you guys are lucky that this bed did not collapse. If this bed had collapsed, your mattress will come to the floor straight ahead. Guys, this is one of the craziest moments that we deal with. Don't let these children get you angry sometimes. You go be like maybe you take prayer and remove their teeth. You go be like saying you need to remove someone's teeth so that their head then it go reset. This will not be joke. I'm upset. I'm upset. I'm not just. This will not be drama. I'm upset.
Sorry, forgive me. Please forgive me.
I should forgive you guys. I don't have choice. I will forgive you. But you will not touch my phone again. That is the punishment you will get. I will forgive you because I don't have choice. I will forgive you. I don't have choice. I will forgive you. But your punishment still remains that you will not touch my phone again. It's very simple. Do I have choice? I will forgive. I will forgive, but your punishment, it will remain. It is well with our soul.